Hi, my name is Muhammad Ani Akil bin Ashari. My matrix number is D052010052. My part of for the presentation is the symbol of the junction transistor, also known as the UJT. This is the symbol. So, and that I will be continuing by explaining the function and of the symbol. The junction transistor symbol is actually pretty similar to that of the junction field effect transistor, also known as JFET, except that it has a bent arrow representing the emitter E input. While it may look similar, JFETs and UJT operate very differently and should not be confused. And that I will be explaining furthermore by explaining the resistance RB1 is given between the emitter E and terminal B1. The resistance for RB2 is given between the emitter E and terminal B2. It's the opposite. And lastly, the physical position of the PN junction is closer to terminal B2 and then B1, making the resistive value of RB2 will be less than RB1. So that's all from me.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Nakir Fahmi bin Kamal. Matric number D0520100046. So for today I'm going to talk about discussion. So I'm going to be giving you a little bit of introduction. So a little introduction is that we know that UJT stands for transistor unit junction, and it is a semiconductor switching system with 3 terminals. A simple device consisting of an N-type silicon material with a non-rectifying contact in the base 1 and base 2, also known as the double base diode. It is operated as a transistor switch instead of amplifying the signals. Okay. So for the characteristic, one is cut off, where the area where the unijunction transistor UJT does not get enough voltage to turn on is the cut-off zone. The voltage applied has not reached the triggering voltage, thus rendering the transistor off stage. The second one is the area of negative resistance. The VTRIG unijunction transistor UJT will turn on when the transistor hits the triggering voltage. After a certain time, it will reach out a V peak if the voltage applied rises to the emitter lead. Even if the current rises, the voltage decreases from V peak to value point or negative resistance. And the third one is saturation. It is if the voltage applied to the emitter terminal increase, the saturation region is the place where the current and voltage rise. So for the advantages is that in addition, the advantage of unijunction transistor UJT is it is low cost, negative resistance characteristics, requires low value of triggering current, a stable triggering voltage, and low power absorbing device. And the disadvantage is UJT cannot be used in linear amplifiers. The second one is UJT can work with only low to moderate frequency. It is not suitable for very high frequency. And the second one is UJT has negative impedance property. That's why it is not suitable to use in some circuits. So that's all for my presentation. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and salam sejahtera. My name is Muhammad Azman bin Muhammad Azman. My number matrix is D0520100132. I will present application of unijunction transistor. The unijunction transistor can be employed in a variety of applications such as switching device, timing circuit, for a phase control, soft wave generators, simple realization oscillator, and UJT is widely used as a trigger device for a silicon control rectifier SCR and trade. So that's all from us. Thank you.